Sir, very happy morning to all. My dear lovable students, there are two category of students going to write exams today. Certain people are going to write exclusively G2, or certain students are going to be continued their G1 for G2 examinations. Sir, whether you are going to write only G2 or continuation, this paper costing is really a trend setter for the entire group. Let me tell you one thing. If you are able to score a 70 plus today, the real mark needed is 150. 150 minus 70 means 80. Anyway, you will be taking 40 mark in audit, and anyway, you will be taking 40 mark in FM and SM. Still, if you have prepared really well, 50 plus and 50 plus, sir, by today itself, you can seal the group. How, sir, that is possible? The way in which you are going to write the exam. Sir, the question paper can be classified into three parts: part A, part N, part M. Sir, this is what question number 1 will be compulsory, a 14 mark question. Generally, question number 1 will be tricky. Then question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6th question is a theory question. If you have not prepared theory, generally we won't prepare theory for costing, then question number 6, sir, will be the question we'll be choosing as option. If you are having different plan, then okay, fine, you can proceed with question number 6. So technically, from question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 1, out of this 5 question, choose the best 3 question out of 5 question. 3 question out of 5 question, your best. That means you go and see, check that, have they asked this, sir, service costing? Appada, nampota ade marisam. Sir, standard, yes, super standard. Labor cost variance has been tested. Okay, fine, I can crack this question. Like that, you have to choose in that 15 minutes the best 3 question. That means 3 into 14 mark comes to, you are going to deal with 42 marks. If you allot 1.8 minutes per mark, that means 75 minutes, or rather 75 minutes or, sir, 1 hour 30 minutes. This is how your time travel should be. Start your exam by 1:45. 1:45 to 2 o'clock, choose best 3 question. You can choose it from even compulsory also, no problem. There is no need that first you should not write compulsory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, choose the best 3 questions. And start writing those 3 questions till, sir, from 2 o'clock till 3:30. Mandatory, you should take 2 things. Number 1, calculator. Number 2, watch. Without watch, don't go to examination. Okay, fine. Then now the time is 3:30 in examination hall. You have wrote for 42 mark. From this itself, minimum 35 mark to whatever it may be. If you are able to get 42, well and happy, because you are going to write your best, but minimum should be 35. Now the time is 3:30. Then go and approach MCQ. My dear lovable students, for MCQ, it's a 30 mark area. You can spend nearly 45 minutes for MCQ. MCQ may be little tricky or it may be easy. Either of that. But that is a time allotted for MCQ. Out of that 30 mark, read the question very properly. There will be lot of MCQs you can easily crack. Surely saying 2 or 3 may be very tough or having difference of opinion. Don't stuck up there. So the next 45 minutes you should write the MCQ. So 3:30 plus 45 minutes. Now 4:15 is the time in the watch. Still you are having 45 minutes of time. And the balance 2 question, which is not your best, my dear lovable students, sir, you have to write. This is how you have to approach the paper. Sir, it should be a time-based answering. In the sense means, if it is an 8 mark question, immediately you have to say that 8 into 1.8 comes to 14.4, round off to 15 minutes. That particular question, you should spend only 15 minutes. I know many students in my academy, sir, they will be sit with one question for 1.5 hours and they will fail in examination. They don't even know that the time is running. That is the biggest mistake you will be doing. After 15 minutes, if you are not able to proceed the question, in accounts, we'll be having a problem of not able to tally the balance sheet. But here, the problem will be with regard to non-proceedings of the question. Next step, enna podonu enak theriyadu. That is a maximum we can spend it. After 15 minutes, you should not think about that question. Leave it, move to the next question. Like that, try to write 100 mark of the paper. Sir, don't write, sir, 96 and all. Write for 100 mark of the paper. Plan it very properly. And number, sir, the next one, choose best. That's what you have to do in that 15 minutes, which is a rule of 3/5 and 2/5. Write the first 3 best. 1, in sir one slot and two in the next slot. Sir, MCQ may be tricky, don't worry at all. Even though the MCQ is tricky, out of 30 mark, I can guarantee you that 15 plus mark will be easy picking. Try to pick that 15 to 20 marks. Remaining 10 mark, kadavul kudutru. That's it. Put it on dustbin. If it is tricky, but if it is easy, surely descriptive will be little tough. So you have to balance there. That's what examination is all about. Don't come and say that, sir, MCQ was easy, descriptive was tough. Descriptive was easy, MCQ was tough. Like that only examiner will set the question paper. Sir, idu kuda theriyalana, don't go for CA examinations. So one of the things, so you should be able to manage it in the examination hall. You have to analyze. You should do the assessment there. Oh, MCQ is little good. So I should be able to score well in MCQ. Then automatically stretch 15 minutes extra in MCQ and ensure that you are getting 25 plus in MCQ. Sir, anyway 15 minutes will be released in the descriptive part. This judgment you should be able to take. Sir, eppdi sir varum ungaloda karuthula evening 5 o'clock you come, then I will say, because at that time only even I also know. Sir, I am not an astrologer to say that. Sir, no mark for decoration. Scale, pencil, you have to write it neat. That's it. Sir, don't double underline. Spend lot of time in decoration, border, giving this alignment and all. That and all needed, but primarily focus on the presentation of the answer. And if time permits, you do all that. That is, sir, ancillary or additional, my dear lovable students. Please try to attach proper working note. In the sense means, if you are writing main answer in the sheet, sir, a working note should be the very next page or nearby only. After writing answer, don't write that PTO. Please turn over. The examiner will not see and, sir, see and all. And always, if in the paper here, try to write the question. For example, question number 2A, like that you write in the mid, man. Always start it. And sir, try to write 2A, 2B in the same flow itself. Provided if you don't know that part at all, then leave it. Otherwise, whatever the three questions you are choosing, try to write in one stretch. That will really, sir, help examiner to verify. Initially, after, if you are going to write group 2, generally what students will be doing, no, because of that pressure and tension, even though exam is average, they will be, sir, losing the examination flow. Don't do that. From start itself, my dear lovable students, sir, you have to pick up the speed, write for 100 marks, properly complete the paper, be very shrewd and be very, very, very attentive in that 3 hours. காஸ்டிங் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எத்தனை நாள் எத்தனை கொஸ்டின் போடுறேங்கிறது முக்கியமே கிடையாது. நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க, எப்படி தெரியுமா, சார் வருஷக்கணக்கில் காஸ்டிங் போடுவாங்க, போய் மூணு மணி நேரம் தொலைச்சிட்டு வந்துருவாங்க. கொஞ்சம் பேர் இருப்பாங்க, இப்போ அவ்வளோலாம் படிக்க மாட்டாங்க, பட் அந்த 3 மணி நேரம் தெளிவாக இருப்பான். அந்த 3 மணி நேரத்தில் என்ன எழுதணுமோ யோசிச்சு எழுதுவான். அந்த யோசனை, அந்த அப்ளிகேஷன் இஸ் வாட் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் காஸ்டிங். அண்ட் தெர் இஸ் நோ நீட் தட் எவ்ரி கொஸ்டின் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரீச் த டெஸ்டினேஷன். ICAI will not only check the final answers, ICAI will check your journey also in the costing paper. That for the journey, marks is there. Step marks will be provided. So you have to write it properly. Please try to write fully. Don't write in a, sir, full shortcuts. Standard hours into standard rate, you can write shortcut. There is no problem. But and the wordings ellame solra. Within the time you write, sir, try to write it, man. Today's paper is going to be an exemption paper. There is no doubt about it. If you are able to capitalize it by leaving your tension and pressure, நீங்க நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஆல்ரெடி போத் குரூப்ஸா இருந்தீங்கன்னா ஜீவன் யூ ஹவ் ரிட்டன், அட்வான்ஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் யூ ஹவ் ரிட்டன், லா யூ ஹவ் ரிட்டன், டாக்ஸ் யூ ஹவ் ரிட்டன். தட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் யூ ஷுட் பி ஏபிள் டு கேபிட்டலைஸ் here point number 1. If you are going to write G2 means you have already cleared group number 1. Sir, with your clearing of group number 1, sir, because of taking tension, pressure, how much extra mark you got? You have not got. So keep you calm and cool for that examination. What you are supposed to do in the coming next 2 hours is go through all the formulas of all the chapters. That's what required from your side, my dear lovable students. So I'm wishing you all the very best to try to score a 70 plus. If you are properly planning, this is very much possible. And if you are able to get 70 plus in costing, then group 2 itself will be a cakewalk. So be yourself, try to write properly. I just want to hear you one thing from you all, entire people, those who are listening to this in the May Mattunda in the comment section, and your manifestation, my dear lovable students. How much mark you want to score in costing? Sir, will manifestation work? Yes. A person who are manifesting is becoming a chief minister of your state. Then why can't you manifest and get 70 plus in costing? It's only one thing. It's only one thing, manifestation. If you are having that manifestation, and if you are working towards it, anything is achievable. That is what the inspiration every youth should get from that. I'm not saying that whether it is good, bad, the politics will be good or bad. That is not my topic. My topic is very simple. If you are thinking and if you are very strong in that thinking, that will happen for you, my dear lovable students. I just want to manifest that 70 plus in costing is achievable. We will meet you at the appropriate time with another video. I just want to hear only positive comments in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.